In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Mailerlite with Shopify. To begin, log into your Shopify admin. Once you are on your store dashboard, navigate to the Shopify App Store. This is where you can add trusted apps that extend what Shopify can do, including email marketing and automation. In the App Store search bar, type Mailerlite Email Automation. When you find the app, open it and start the installation. Shopify will guide you through a few standard permission screens, so the app can work properly with your store. Next, click Install. After the app is installed, select Connect to link your Mailerlite account. This step pairs your Shopify store with Mailerlite, so customer and order data can sync. When prompted, click Authorize. Authorizing is important because it gives permission for data sharing between the two platforms, which is necessary for automations and accurate segmentation. After authorization, you will choose a Mailerlite group where your Shopify customers will be stored. Think of a group as a container that helps you keep your audience organized. Pick the group you want to use for your store customers, or select the most appropriate existing one so new subscribers and updates flow into the right place. Now set your syncing preference by choosing the option, Only Customers Who Accept Marketing. This setting helps you stay compliant with marketing consent rules by syncing only customers who have agreed to receive promotional emails. Next, map your store fields to Mailerlite custom fields. For example, you might map details like total spent or last order. Field mapping is what allows Mailerlite to save Shopify data in a usable way, so you can personalize campaigns and build segments based on purchase behavior. Take a moment here to match fields carefully, because correct mapping improves reporting and automation accuracy. When you are ready, click Finish Setup. This starts the initial sync of your customer data. Depending on how many customers you have, the first sync may take a little time, so give it a moment to complete. Finally, verify everything is connected inside your Mailerlite dashboard. Go to Integrations, then Shopify, and confirm your store shows as connected. Once you see it there, your integration is set and syncing can continue moving forward. And that is all there is to it.